Number 1. Insta360 Motorcycle Bundle. All new universal powerful clamp, securely fixing your camera to handlebars, bumpers, and more. Flexible adhesive mount, fits perfectly on your helmet, fuel tank, or windshield, unlocking even more shooting angles. Number 2. Insta360 Motorcycle Bundle New Version. This kit includes several peel and stick 3M adhesive mounting stickers, allowing you to mount your camera to any smooth, flat surface on your bike, such as a front or rear fender or even your gas tank. Number 3. Insta360 X4 Standard Bundle. The 8K era is here. Insta360 X4 delivers 360 degrees video in stunning 8K or 5.7K 60 FPS. Use active HDR to keep shots color accurate too, even in action scenarios. With Insta360 X4, get out there and shoot, not having to worry about lining up a shot. Shoot first, then reframe easily after, all in the AI-powered Insta360 app. Number 4. Waterproof action camera co-engineered with Leica. Armed with a larger, premium sensor, Ace Pro captures more light, with sweeping improvements to image quality. Ace Pro is also the first action camera to incorporate a powerful 5nm AI chip, maximizing the sensor's capabilities and amplifying low-light image brightness with reduced noise. All thanks to the power of AI. Number 5. PULUZ Third-Person Perspective Motorcycle Bike Handlebar Mount Selfie Stick Pole. This aluminum alloy selfie stick offers a solid and stable shooting experience, eliminates shaking and ensures smooth footage. This device is highly suitable for engaging in intense outdoor activities such as off-roading and fast descents. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.